So we were doing our new chapter, which was ratio and proportion. So till this we were done. Now we are going to start key fact D2. D1 was done. So the question here which have been asked, let's go with example 3. The question here is asked, if ratio of boys to girls to the school picnic is 5:3, 5 ratio 3. Okay, what else? Which of the following cannot be the number of children at the picnic? Now they're asking which of them, like which of the number which cannot be. Here there's written key fact, which is if any ratio problems letter x after each number, then it appears to be ratio. So you can also add x with, wait, you can also add 5x like these, which is plus 3x. Then when you add these both, so you can also write these are at 8x. Now if you are thinking this could be 8x square, but yes, you are wrong, because x could be added at the time when it's multiplied. X can add it when it's multiplied, but here you can see it's only positive. The operation which have been used here is positive, or the addition, so in that x would not be added, only the integer or the number which is present, so the number is 8x. So now here this mean every number which, every option which you have would be the multiple of 8x. Okay, so now 8, if you read the 8 table, 8 4 is 24, this mean this could be the multiple. 8 5 is 40, and 96 would also be in the 8 table, just count it like 96. So this could be the 82, like after like 8 8 8 12 is 96. When you will read a table, you will not find 150. So this means 150 is not the multiple or the any factor of 8. So this means D option is the right option. Okay, so I'm sure you've gotten this was the solution. Now here this key fact was also saying if the numbers in the ratio a and b, then for some you can also write x. The first number is ax, the second is bx, the ratio is the lowest term between them, and the quantities must be integer. As I just told you, you can use integer and you cannot use, but this is compulsory, you are supposed to use the value which could be integer. So we are done with this page. Let's move to another page. This here we have fourth example. So fourth example, what does this mean? This means the measures of two acute angles of a right triangle and the ratio of 5:3, 13, 5:13, 5:13. What's the measure of the larger acute angle? So solution here which is given is that let the measure a smaller angle between them. Smaller is this, as I just told you, key fact says you can add x between them, 5x, this means, and the larger angle they have is the 13x. Larger value is the 13x. Then when you add these, and the question is there that this is the right angle, this means right angle means 90 degree. So 5x plus, let me just write in a easy. So this would be the equation, we know 5x which is equal to 13x. So when you will add these both, you will find 18x which is equal to 90. Okay, so x here would be written same. You see this value which is multiplying here, but when it will go on this side, this means these will be divided. So x which is equal to 90 divided by 18, and yes, when we'll divide these both, this means x which is equal to 5, x which is equal to 5, and therefore the measure of the larger angle between them. Here it's written that this would be the measure of the acute larger angle. So in these both value, which one is the biggest number? You are supposed to multiply 5:13, which was bigger, the greater value. 13 is a greater value, you know that. So 13 which would be multiplied with this x answer which is 5, so you will get the answer which is